Hey folks, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you this cool new Cadyce product. So what we have here today is an unprecedented technology. It's both a keyboard and a multifunctional docking station. I present to you the CA-KBDS. Let's take a look. The CA-KBDS by Cadyce not only acts as a keyboard for your device, but it also has multifunctional properties. It's an exemplary docking station for all your small devices, and it has a Thunderbolt 3 port. Clever design, powerful performance, and brilliant quality. This device has it all. Let's check out some more of the features. The CA-KBDS has a VGA port, which supports 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz output. An HDMI port, which supports 4K at 30 Hz output. It also has a USB 3.1 Type-C host with a speed of 10 Gbps. A USB 3.1 Type-C power delivery charge, which charges your phone or tablet at 100 watts. A USB 3.0 Type-A that supports transfer speeds of 5 Gbps. It has a LAN port that supports 10, 100, and 1000 megabytes per second. Then here it has an SD and a micro SD card port with storage capacity up to 2 terabytes. And of course an audio 3.5mm jack, which supports stereo audio output and microphone input. This keyboard is compatible with Mac and Windows operating systems. It's really a hassle-free operating experience. The cable slots are easily accessible, and all of these amazing features are just packed into a small keyboard. This has made my life so easy. From gaming to working, my life is sorted. Isn't that remarkable? That's the Cadyce CA-KBDS. Go and get yours today. I'll see you next time. Bye!